Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Car Girl 11 recently took me to my first Demolition Derby, and it was a pretty cool experience. The night started out with the kids in their Power Wheels, bashing them, and it was really cool to see that. And actually, it was surprisingly, they went pretty well with their two-wheel drive little battery power motors, so it was pretty neat to see the kids have fun doing that. But then came the real event.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
The cars start on the edges of the rink and usually back into each other to protect the vitals. But this was the full-size V8 class cars, so it was pretty neat to see these old wagons and Lincolns and full-size cars run around this track. Now as the cars break down, they get left on the track until the end when they get towed, and the last running car standing takes home the prize. And as you can see, this car at the tire wall has stalled out. That was a hard hit. The wagon and the Lincoln were really battling it the whole time. And you could see some sparks flying here on the wagon. Things are getting hot and rubbing, but they're still going. And mud gets flinged into the audience when these cars are going around and around. It's pretty fun. And finally, the wagon died and the Lincoln took home the win. Trucks were next, and it was very cool to see them in action. Much of the same, bashing each other until the last one stands. Usually what happens is a radiator will be punctured, which makes the vehicle overheat, and as you'll see here, end its night. So overall, I had a blast at this event, and I'll definitely be back. Hopefully there are some in your area that you can attend, and let me know in the comments if you do go to these. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.